From the factory, your Lectric XP 3.0 comes as a Class 2 e-bike, which means it's limited to 20 miles per hour, both in pedal assist and throttle only modes. To switch the bike to a Class 3 bike, you start by going into the settings menu, holding the plus and minus button for a few seconds. Then you press the power button to toggle to setting number 8. Set setting number 8 to 100 and you're done. You're now at a Class 3 and you can hit 28 miles per hour in pedal assist. While throttle only is still limited to 20 miles per hour. So a quick demonstration. I set the bike back to level 2, which should limit the top speed to 20 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Let's see how fast it goes. Yeah, so right at about 19 miles an hour I start feeling power assist pretty much stop. Yeah, so there I'm at 19.8, 19.5. Let's switch it back to a Class 3 bike. When you switch the bike to Class 3, you do have to toggle the power on and off to get it to actually take. I tried switching it to Class 3 and then running, and I was still limited to the level 2 or Class 2 power. Yeah, so still feeling assistance. There it is, 28, 29, and I still feel a little bit of assistance, so yeah, it works. I'm not even in top gear. There you go, 28 miles an hour.